Once upon a time, a merchant loading salt on his donkey, he used to go to the market to sell. The donkey had to cross a canal on the way. One day, the donkey's foot slipped and he fell into the water. Some of the salt dissolved in the water, so the donkey's load became lighter. The donkey was very happy. And he started doing this every day. Merchant understood the cunning of the donkey. One day, merchant loaded cotton on the donkey. Donkey sat down in the water as before while passing through the canal. Now the cotton was heavy. When the donkey got up, it became difficult to walk due to the load. The donkey was punished for what he had done, and later he repented. Moral: cheating would end badly. Cleverness is punished. Don't cheat. Malice must be punished. Don't be malicious.